Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Novu E1 wireless earbuds with inline microphone. Here we have some additional description. Battery runtime about 10 up to 10 hours, power source micro USB, charging time about 3 hours. Here the exact description, and we have some more information on the back, like we get 3 pairs of earbuds, 3 pairs of ear fins, charging cable. Here some more description. Should be great quality, noise cancellation, full spectrum, 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, skip-free sound technology, long-lasting battery for Apple and Android. So let's take it out of the box and let's see how they work and how easy they are to connect. And I have to tell you, if you see this video on Amazon, I'm posting the same video on YouTube as well, of course with much higher resolution, so you can see much more. So here we have more information about the buttons of the remote control. Yeah, pretty much straightforward, I think. Nothing really unexpected. We have probably the cable and some information. Thank you for choosing Novu. Our product comes in industry-leading lifetime replacement warranty, and we also get information whom to contact in case of any problems. Of course, here we have also the manual. If you need that. If you don't need that, you can maybe skip 1 minute fast forward for 1 minute. So I'm showing this because when some people lose their instruction, they can come back to this video and check this as a reference. Here we have the pairing instruction, but I guess it's really easy. So yeah, here we have the whole thing. It's with a rubber band. Let's take them out here. Yeah, it's some kind of matte metal finish, looking pretty upscale. Oh, they are magnetic. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So you can wear them around your neck, and in the front you put them together, so so they are locked. You can't lose them. So I really like that. And here we have the charging cable, I guess. And of course, this spare equipment. There's a lot. Yeah, better we keep it in the package not to lose everything. So you see, even here for the cable, you have some spare material, different sizes for your ears, earbuds, ear fins, a lot of things. So usually I don't need that because I have pretty much standard or average size ears. Usually they fit perfectly. There's a really short micro USB cable, but it's a USB cable. You don't need a longer one, I guess. Here again we have the remote control. What do we have here? Is that something to open? Here we have Yeah, sure. Somewhere we have to charge it. Obviously that's here. So here we can charge the thing, and this is what I'm doing now before I'm going to use them. So these earbuds are now pretty much charged, and now let's turn this thing on. Oh, I haven't checked. Power button is in the middle, so let's see. Let's press it for about 3 seconds, and now we see this blue light flashing. We go to the mobile phone and search for Bluetooth. Oh yeah, I have to go to connection, Bluetooth, and hopefully we will see, yeah, here already we see the Novu E1. I've not prepared this. This is the first time I'm doing this. Yeah, it's connected for call and media audio. So that's good, and I've already prepared some license-free music, which is really important, and I'm trying now to play that. Hopefully it will work. Yeah, music is not playing. I don't know why. I think the volume was too low. Okay. And here as well, of course, I have to make the volume higher. Hold on a second. Don't know how to do that. Okay, I've tried now everything out. So this, you have to watch this part. This is the upper part. So you have to hold this in front of you, and this is volume up. So when you click, you can click like here, then it's always volume up. When you go here, you just click as much as you want to lower the volume and raise the volume again. So when you long press more than 2 seconds, it will fast forward to the next music, and when you press back longer than 2 seconds, it will go to the last track. So that's pretty easy. I'm holding this now to the microphone. I don't know if you're able to hear that. So I'm just telling you what I was able to hear myself. They are really heavy, so, and they are not super easy to like put in your ears. I recommend, when you do it for the first time, just make sure you do this in front of a mirror, and then it's super easy. When you do it without the mirror, it can be a little bit tricky. So I did it in front of the mirror, and it was super easy, and they sticked really good to my ears. I was then jumping up and down like crazy, like jogging or something like that, and they sticked really good in my ears. Also, I have found they have an excellent bass sound, but if you're not able to hear this bass sound, then it's only because they are not deep enough in your ears. They have to have a really tight fit. So if they don't have a tight fit, use these extra spare parts to change the earbuds to have a really tight fit. That's really important, otherwise you won't have this excellent bass sound. Okay, if the fit is excellent, so they are really heavy, they are strong, powerful, yeah, and they fit perfectly to my ears. This is the medium size, I think. They fitted perfectly. They didn't fall out, but they're heavy, so you make sure that you pick the right size so that they stick really good and they are not falling out, and you have then this deep bass experience. So yeah, that's it. Everything was working really good, and for this nice price, I think it's definitely a full recommendation, especially when you think about the lifetime warranty. That's absolutely awesome. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.